In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable waiting room in Zoom. The waiting room is a simple but powerful way to control who joins your meetings and when. With it turned on, participants land in a holding area until you admit them, which helps prevent unwanted guests and gives you a calmer start to every session. Here's how to switch it on from the Zoom web portal. First, head to the Zoom website and go to My Account. This takes you to your personal dashboard where all your preferences live. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're on the web portal rather than the desktop app, since these settings are managed online. Once you're in your account, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Settings. This is where Zoom groups all host controls. At the top of this page, make sure you're on the Meeting tab so you're adjusting options that apply to your meetings specifically. Within the Meeting tab, find the Security section. This area covers the features that protect your sessions, and that's where the waiting room lives. Locate the waiting room option and turn it on. You might see a small confirmation asking if you want to enable it. Go ahead and confirm. When the switch is blue, the waiting room is active for your meetings under this account. With that enabled, here's what changes in practice. When participants click your meeting link, they'll land in the waiting room until you, as the host, admit them. Inside the meeting, you'll see a clear notice when someone is waiting. You can admit people individually or all at once, and you can remove someone back to the waiting room if they accidentally joined early. Co-hosts can help manage the flow, which is especially handy for larger events. A couple of quick tips to make the most of it. If the toggle appears locked or grayed out, your organization may manage this setting at the account or group level, so an admin would need to adjust it. Also, remember that enabling the waiting room adds a short pause before your meeting begins, so it helps to let attendees know they may see a brief hold screen before you bring them in. That's it. Waiting room is now on and ready to keep your Zoom meeting secure and orderly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added control and peace of mind in your next call.